Hi everyone, Lexa here, and welcome to the CPCC YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome! I'm glad you found our page, and I hope that you subscribe so you can see our weekly uploads. And if you are coming back to us, thank you so much for joining us again. Today, I want to show you how to do a simple and fun craft perfect for the summer months. And it is coffee filter butterflies. So in order to create these butterflies, what you'll need is a plain white or brown coffee filter, some markers, a spray bottle so that you can soak the filter. You can also use a dropper, anything kind of to get the filter wet. And also, you will need some pipe cleaners. So, in order to make this, the first thing that you have to do is get your coffee filter and you start coloring on it. So I've started one here, and you're going to keep coloring and coloring and coloring until the full filter is covered in colors. Then you're going to take your spray bottle here and spray it down. You can do that outside and leave it out in the sun to dry. It eliminates mess and it dries it really, really quick. Then you'll have something that looks like this. So this is a coffee filter butterfly that I made off camera, and it is all watercolored like so. In order to create the butterfly shape, I just pinched the filter down the middle and then twisted the pipe cleaner on, folded these over just to look a little bit more like antennas, and there you have it. And then you can create as many as you choose, all different colored wings, and it's really, really pretty like that. If you guys would like to try making these, we would love to see some pictures or videos of how you did it. So you can send those over to our different socials. We have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so that we can see all that you guys are up to. Thank you so much for joining us this week, and we hope to see you again next time. Bye everyone.